Lucy, what did you just do?
Went down the slip and slide.
What is the slip and slide?
This thing, you slide down.
Oh, is it like one of those mats that go in the water?
Yeah.
Is it really fun?
Yeah.
Can we see you do it?
Okay, they want me to see me do it. Okay.
I'll hold it down. You go down.
Okay. That's all right.
Lucy went under. Who are you doing this for, Alan, so he can see you? Good. Lucy, are you gonna jump in for us?
Yeah.
To show Alan how brave you are jumping in?
Okay.
He taught you how to do this, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. What a big splash, Lucy. What a big splash.
Put them in the freezer. Because
What's Olin doing?
It was in the evening and we weren't going to have the ceremony that night. So we decided to ask.
Are you just kind of hanging in there?
After work the next day we would have a ceremony.
Well, I think this is going to be a cool video.
He told me where he put him. And so I went somewhere and I was like, you want waffles? He's like, yeah. And he pulled it over. There's a Ziploc bag with the hair.
Are we all squared up, Lucy?
I
Luckily,
think
you
so.
didn't see him because we didn't know what it was. I was like,
Lucy's actually doing the supervision behind the camera.
you're the little guy.
Well, I can see Olin and
Nothing by the
I can't see Olin. He's not behind me.
No, because he's looking at the back of the camera right now.
Yeah. Now he's looking.
Plant marker.
Take a picture. Get ski.
Metsky?
Metsy.
Schvetsky?
Metsy.
Netsy. I like your Netsy.
I like your boat. I like your boat.
Your mama's a goat.
No, she's not. She's not a goat. My mom said.
Like my dad said. The menu for this evening is as follows. We start off with a farm plate. Crackers, assorted cheeses, prosciutto ham, and mixed olive medley. That will be followed by Laura's dish.
Does olives have pimentas in them?
No, they will not.
Will they come with a side of vodka?
They will be pitted olives. No, it's a collection of assorted olives, of Greek olives.
Oh, and those little containers like they sell down there at Whole Foods.
We should probably put this on film. Your children ate all my olives for my vodka. They are gone. But you know what? It was worth it to see the joy in their eyes eating olives for the first time and loving them.
They like the salty taste.
They did.
Thank you very much for that update, Jim Sharkey.
You're welcome.
And we'll be sharing it later on when we all get together.
Pickled okra to the farm plate.
Pickled okra?
That is
tasty.
Yeah, but I don't know. Pickled okra seems to have more of a slimy taste to it. Fried okra is what you got to get.
No. I like fried okra too. I know, any kind of roast okra.
Sarah, what's your preference?
I don't even know what it is.
Okra.
Okra is a sort of a southern. It's an African thing. But African slaves brought it to America, but it's a southern thing. It grows in really poor soil.
Well, yesterday you promised me we'll fish.
I did not. I said
he
nothing
did.
of the sort. But tomorrow we can fish. Do you want to fish in the morning or in the evening?
Morning. Evening.
Has come the board is spread. Thanks be to God who gives us bread.
Praise God for bread.
That's my favorite. That is my absolute.
Guys, really? We didn't leave on elevator. I know.
1.
Super fragile looks again. FBI, I'll come. Fresh tomatoes, scallions, chicken.
The free play jump. Everybody gets to do their own jump. Alright? Yes, everybody goes by themselves, does their own jump. Ready?
Okay. I'm gonna go last.
Will! Get out of the way. Go ahead, Ethel. Your best lake fish, like a fish out of water.
There we go.
Whoa, hang on.
We're going on a roller coaster. We're in the front.
We're going backwards up in the front. Woo!
Woo.